Hey everyone, in this video we'll be exploring how to integrate Notion's database with Microsoft Excel, making it easier for you to manage and organize your data. So with this integration, you can synchronize your MS Excel spreadsheets with Notion's database in real time, giving you more control over your information with less manual efforts. So whether you are a seasoned Excel user or just getting started, this video will show you how to make the most out of Notion and Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. So we are using Pabbly Connect to set up this automation. So Pabbly Connect is an automation tool and this is the landing page of Pabbly. So I'm going to paste this link in the description as well. So from here you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automation. So you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that you just have to sign in and reach the Pabbly Connect product and you will see the dashboard of Pabbly like this. From here, you have to click on this create workflow button to set up any automation workflow. So here you can give any name to a workflow as well. So I'm giving the name here as Notion to MS Excel integration. All right, so after giving these kinds of names, you can just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is here. And on this page, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So our automations are based on these two things only. So trigger is that event which starts a workflow and the action is the automated response or the consequence of the trigger. So here you can read, it is saying when this happens, do this, okay? This is how it is going to work. So in our use case, adding an item in Notion's database will trigger this workflow, and adding the same item in a row in MS Excel's sheet will be the action towards the trigger. So first of all, you have to choose the trigger application. So in our case, Notion is our trigger application. Okay, and then you have to select the trigger event, which is new database item. Select this. After that, click on connect button. And from here, select add new connection, then click on connect with Notion. All right, and from this window, you have to provide some access to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so these are the accesses you have to provide. You can select the pages from here where you have the data stored in Notion's database. So I'm right now selecting all the pages, but you can select specific database and specific pages as well. Okay, after that, you just have to scroll down and click on allow access, and you will be connected with Notion's database automatically like this. Okay, and here it is asking for the database ID. So guys, this is let me show you my Notion's dashboard. So guys, this is Notion, and here is our page I have created named as technical issues, and this is a table I have created here, and this is the data I'm saving in this table, like the project name, the issue type, the summary of the issue, the description, the due date, and the label. Okay, right? So I'm going to select the name of the page first, or the database ID. From this drop down menu, it will show you all the databases you have. From here, I'm selecting this one, technical issues. Now guys, by clicking on save and send test request button, you can fetch the details of your database like this. Okay, so whenever you are going to add any new row here in this table, the data is going to be fetched here. Okay, so right now I have the latest row here like this. So as I'm going to click on save and send test request button, the data of the latest row will be fetched here. So I'm clicking here the button, and you can see the data is captured here like this. It is showing us the text type. Okay, and the content is here. API stopped working. Let me show you this here. API stopped working is our summary. Let me scroll down. Here it is showing the project's name, Pabbly Connect projects. You can see it here, right? Then when you scroll down a bit more, you will see API not working. So API not working is the issue type. Okay, then when you scroll down more, you will find the due date here as well, 15/2/2023. Okay, let us see here, 15th of February 2023. The date is same, and you can see this is the description, team meeting to be done. Like you can check it here, team meeting to be done. So everything that you have here are fetched here like this in these labels, okay, according to along with some technical details as well, okay. The data got fetched here. So now with the help of this, I want to send this data to my MS Excel spreadsheet now. So we are going to connect MS Excel sheet here in this Actions tab. So search for MS Excel. And after selecting Excel here, you choose the action event as add row to worksheet. So guys, I have already created a worksheet in which I want to save my Notion's data. This is my worksheet. I have named it as issues. Okay. So right now, first of all, I'm going to click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with MS Excel. And from this window, you have to provide some access to Pabbly Connect. So you just have to scroll down and click on yes here. And you can see the authorization is getting successful, right? Like this. And we'll be connected with Excel. All right, so we are now connected, and here it is asking for the workbook's name. So the name of my workbook is issues. So when you click here, it will show you the list of all the workbooks you have. From here, you can search for issues and select it. All right, then it will ask for the worksheet's name. So my worksheet name is sheet 1 only because we have only one sheet, and it got auto populated here. Now it started showing the column fields, the project name, the issue type, the summary. These are the name of the columns I have, the headers of the columns, and it started appearing here. Now to send the data in these columns, we need to map the values of these columns here in these fields only. So we are going to use this data that we have received here from Notion, and I'm going to map the labels I have received here from this tab to here. So to map the things, you just have to click here, and the previous tab will appear in the drop down. So by clicking on it, you can see all the data. From here, you can find project's name and map it like this, okay. Similarly, you will find the issue type. So issue type is, let me show you. You will find the issue type here. This is the issue type. You can find the issue summary, map it. Similarly, map the description. This is it, map it. The due date. Here is the due date, okay. And finally, the label. So you can cross check the data with Notion as well, and see if we have correctly mapped the data here. Okay, so we have correctly mapped the data. Now you can check your connection with Microsoft Excel by clicking on Save and Send Test Request button, and this data will be sent here in this row. Let me show you that. I'm clicking on Save and Send Test Request. So this is the response we have received. Let us check in MS Excel sheet if we got a new row added. So here, let me just refresh this sheet. And here you can see, guys, we got the data added here like this in this row. Project name is here, the issue type is here, the summary is here, description is here, everything is here, okay. So this is how you can synchronize Notion's database with Excel by mapping the labels here. So when you map the labels, what will happen whenever, after setting up this automation, whenever you are going to add any new item here, the labels will be updated and this data will be fetched here automatically. So you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you do not even have to open this workflow. It will run in the background automatically whenever you are going to add any new database item. And guys, you can use this same workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.